Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Trading Chief. If you're new to the channel, I cover biopharmaceutical companies that have upcoming FDA reviews, and I also cover stocks that have upcoming mergers. So, in this video, we're going to be looking at a pharmaceutical company, and as you can see, I've already got it pulled up, and that ticker is ETON, or Eton Pharmaceuticals. And just a quick overview of what the company is about. It says, Eton Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a pharmaceutical company which is developing, acquiring, and commercializing products to address unmet needs in patients suffering from rare diseases. It has um, it also has 3 additional product candidates in late-stage development. The company is developing dehydrated alcohol injection, which is what we'll be talking about today, and it's got a deep background on it. So we'll look at it and discuss it, which has received an orphan drug designation for the treatment of methanol poisoning. And then xenohydrocortisone autoinjector for the treatment of adrenal crisis, and ET400. This dehydrated alcohol injection product candidate is under review for the treatments of methanol poisoning, and that's, like I said, what we're going to be looking at. So right now, currently there's only one analyst covering this. They have a $10 price tag on it, which is pretty substantial from where we're at. And then let's go look at the news articles that I've brought up. And I had to do a lot of digging to find these. And we're going to go all the way back to July 27th of 2020. And I'll explain as to why this one's so far back. And we're going to take a look at it right here. And that is this one. It says Eton Pharmaceuticals submits a new drug application to FDA for orphan drug dehydration alcohol injection. Right? There's nothing really else there to read. So there's that. And then if we go to 10/8, which is October 8th of 2020, right? Take a look at this one. This is FDA accepts Eton's application for methanol poisoning. This is FDA has accepted the application for Eton Pharmaceuticals seeking approval of its dehydrated alcohol injection DS100 for the treatment of methanol poisoning. Agency date is set to May 27th of 2021. Okay, so they submitted it, they accepted it, and then on May 27th of 2021, you get this news article. And it says Eton Pharmaceuticals says FDA declines to approve the NDA for methanol poisoning treatment candidate. And the reason why they've declined it was because during 21, that's when the whole COVID thing was going on, and they couldn't get out to do their inspection on the partnered lab that was going to be producing all of this stuff. So because they couldn't inspect the facility, they had to decline the application. And you'll see a big time gap in between that from when they declined it on May 27th of 21 to when they resubmitted it. But let's read the article. It says Eton Pharmaceuticals said Friday it has received a completed response letter from the Food and Drug Administration saying its new drug application for dehydrated alcohol injection as a potential treatment for methanol poisoning cannot be approved in its present form. The FDA has completed its review of the application, but a pre-approval inspection of the product's European contract manufacturer remains pending because of what the company believes are COVID-related travel restrictions. So it's nothing wrong with the drug itself. It's just the fact that they weren't able to go out and inspect the manufacturer. Eton said it believes the concerns raised by the agency in the letter can be fully addressed in response in the coming months. So there was that. So that was declined on May 27th. They waited more than a year to resubmit this, and then we'll look at that. We're going to go to December 28th of 2022 to check this one out. And this is right here. This is On December 27th, Eton Pharmaceuticals submitted the new drug application response for its dehydrated alcohol injection product candidate to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. And then if we move forward to January 10th of 23, like I said, I had to do a lot of digging on. There's a lot of dates in this. It says Eton Pharmaceuticals says FDA accepts new drug application response for dehydrated alcohol injection. Shares rise. This is Eton Pharmaceuticals said Wednesday that the Food and Drug Administration has accepted for review the company's new drug application response for dehydrated alcohol injection for the proposed indication of methanol poisoning. The FDA has set June 27th as its PDUFA date. PDUFA is your Prescription Drug User Fee Act, if you don't know. And then Eton said this application was previously granted orphan drug designation for methanol poisoning, and if approved, the company expects the FDA to provide 7 years of orphan drug exclusivity. So, because it was given an orphan drug application back in, 2020, they're expecting them to uphold that if it's approved so that way they're the only ones able to create this drug for the next 7 years. So that's how that's going to work out. And then I like to provide the phase 3 data from these trials, but unfortunately I never found that, and I spent hours digging through this stuff, and I went all the way back to 2018 and I couldn't find anything on it. So that's unfortunate, because I really like to review the phase 3 studies, but as you can see, as far back as it goes is September 13th of 2019. So there's that. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this video and you found this information, useful, and hopefully we can make some money off of this in the market come June, then consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and come check us out in the Discord. The links will be down in the description below. All right, it was a quick video. Thanks. Have a good day.